Hey, this is Andreas from Pocketables.com, and in this video I'm going to show you some basic debugging using a flash action in Tasker. So just to show you an example, I'm going to create a task that processes data that I get from online and just show you how you can use a flash message to make that process easier. So I'm going to start by just doing a HTTP GET, and let's just use Pocketables as an example. And since I never got the actual variable built into this to work properly, I always just create a file. So let's just create something like this. Output to that file, and then we're going to read that file into a variable. Like that, and then I'm going to add a flash action for that variable to see that it actually worked. So it just flashed this entire message, which is the source of the website, which means that that's essentially a confirmation that everything I've done above actually works. So let's try to split by something. I'm just looking at the source on my computer. So let's try to grab a title or something like that. So let's try to variable split this. Apparently I can't type today. I split it by that. So again, I'm looking at the source on my computer, so this won't make all that much sense to you, but if I do like that and just change my test flash to say test flash 1, actually let's make it 2. It should technically flash me something that's directly after the splitter at some point. So it did. I'm actually going to change this to a long flash just to make it easier to see what it says. So if I try to do it for number 3, you can see that I can basically go down the list and just use these flash messages to sort of tell me exactly what's in the variable I work with, and that way it's really quick to pinpoint where something goes wrong. So with this number 6, I actually managed to get the title of one of my other articles. So just by doing that, I can actually do another variable split. And split test flash 6 by, I think it was just like that, and then technically I should get a test flash 6 1 that contains just a title, and I did. So this is basically just quickly showing you how to use a flash message. Just by using a flash, I was able to pinpoint what I wanted to do, and just instead of doing anything complicated and then trying to see if everything works all at once, just take it one step at a time using flash messages to see what's actually in your variables, and then you just take it from there. So that's just a very quick example how you can use a flash message. So make sure to check out the full article for this on Pocketables.com.